joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Utkarsh Joshi from ATOMBERG. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Glad.
Let's not take much of your time.
Sure.
Shall we begin with the first question?
No problem. Okay, yes.
Could you please introduce yourself
Yes.
and tell our audience about your company?
Okay. My name is Utkarsh Joshi. I'm representing ATOMBERG Innovation at Drone Expo 2026, Bangalore. ATOMBERG as a brand name is now well known across the industry for their consumer appliance revolution with BLDC technology. And we felt that it is a natural extension of our product line to get into drone propulsion systems. We are here to showcase our capability of manufacturing made in India drone propulsion systems with our motors and controllers.
What a great initiative, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, any hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
Sure. So this is the hero product that we would like to showcase in this expo. This is called as VT1KV170, a drone motor which is so powerful. A single motor can lift 32 kgs of payload, and combine that with our controller. Both of them designed, manufactured, optimized in India at our facility in Pune.
That's wonderful. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from it?
Sure. Drone propulsion systems completely made in India are very difficult to find, and it is a common headache for all the drone OEMs across pan-India. But we are here to provide this solution to all the Indian OEMs to reduce their dependency on any foreign sources for sourcing their drone propulsion systems, which includes motors, controllers, and also in future propellers. We also offer a huge degree of customization for the same form factor. If you want to customize a motor with a different kV rating or with different thrust, we are here to help you. Same goes with the controllers. Any degree of customization or design optimization, you have one-stop shop at ATOMBERG.
What message would you like to convey to your potential customers, visitors, and individual exploring your booth today?
Sure. At this platform, we would like to invite all the drone OEMs to visit our stall at Drone Expo and also visit our website, ATOMBERG Innovation. You can get in touch with me personally on LinkedIn or through my email ID, utkarsh.joshi@atomberg.com. We want to be the one-stop shop for all the drone propulsion systems for the Indian drone OEMs. And we would like to be their partner in future for the flight of the nation.
That's wonderful message. So, sir, I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo
Sure.
2026 in Bangaluru.
Sure.
Next, in September, we are bringing it to New Delhi. Would like to participate again?
Definitely. Our first time experience at Drone Expo Bangalore was beyond our expectations. We did not expect so much of crowd and so much of serious crowd to turn up at this event, and we would like to replicate this in the September edition coming up in New Delhi.
That's wonderful. Looking forward to meet you again in New Delhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.